Guys, we just survived the Canopy walkway. It's the fact that they are licking you for me, oh. Hey guys, come with me to Obudu Cattle Ranch, also known as Obudu Mountain Resort. It is one of Africa's most interesting tourist destinations, located at the Cross River at the Obani Kolorada area of Cross River State in Nigeria, Africa, West Africa. It is one of the amazing tourist sites in Nigeria, which is currently mismanaged. Yes, emphasis on the word mismanaged. It is such a treasure that I think the government are not actually making good use of it. So if you're going to Obudu from any of the big cities, I'll highly recommend you go through Enugu, fly to Enugu, and then you take a road trip to Obudu, because it is shorter and it is safer to go from Enugu. Enugu to Obudu Cattle Ranch is approximately a 6-hour journey. So when you get to the bottom hill, you take another 45 minutes journey up the mountain. Apparently on the day of my travel, I got to Obudu very late, around 12 midnight, so I couldn't record the trip up the mountain, but I had one down the mountain, so stay tuned. But before then, let's just go straight into my intro.
I've not been available here for that 3 days. If they complain of light, I carry my chain, or my chain is still at Mountain and light, so I cover those pages. I cover the pages for.
So I will highly recommend that if you're going to Obudu Cattle Ranch, you should go through a tour operator or a tour guide, due to the situation of things at Obudu. So you're going to have a great time and you don't have obviously reasons to complain.
Guys, this is fresh. I wouldn't say flowers, but these are like fresh leaves, and this is so beautiful. Guys, we're in Obudu Cattle Ranch.
So for this particular trip, I decided to stay at the executive or royal suite, because I've stayed at the mountain villa, I've stayed at the single room, I've also stayed at Nella's apartment. So I wanted to explore the executive suite, which I am going to take you on a room tour soon, so stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl Wantor, and guess what? It's my first morning in Obudu and I'm about to take you outside. So we're staying in the royal suite area here in Obudu. Sorry, our room is actually a mess, so I might not really show you the bed. I'll just show you half. But yes, it's a mess. Like I said, we're here, we're about to step out just to go for a walk. So the royal suite is so beautiful. This is my first time staying here. It has a small toilet here. Obviously the room is here. I told you my room is dirty. This is my cousin. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, and then we have our mini bathroom, which is a bit still messy, because it's a bit messy. I don't need you guys to see, so it's actually very special. I can't deny the fact that this is so special. And then we have 2 doors. This is the first door here, so you come out to the greens, and our son is here to clean up. And this is the parlor area of this suite. So there's actually no lights here, that's why. We also have a fireplace here. It is so beautiful, guys. We have a fireplace, and we have a mini dining table, and we have the second door. This is the next room. It's with artworks on the wall, and this is the kitchen area, which is still a bit messy, because apparently we're here to vacate, and we have a window where you can. It's actually really beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful. So now let's go for it. So guys, you remember Moses? He was in my last video, and we're here again. And then he has also been helping us through the presidential villa.
So we're gonna go there and we're going to see him again.
Okay, you're going there?
Yeah, but not now.
Alright.
Must say hi to my camera.
Hi.
Talk to my people.
What do I say? Well, I'm inviting you to the castle.
As always.
Yes.
As always. Okay guys, so we are taking a walk now.
Okay, sir.
Taking a walk. Okay. Say hi to my people. Say hi to my people. You love my people, right? Do you love my people, ma? Say hi to them. Hi. Yeah. Alright, so we're going for our tour now.
Okay, when you left the other time?
Yeah, that last time I forgot it. So guys, so hey, but they said they found it, Sha. The manager said he found it. Yeah. Guys, I know that.
Actually, no, because
Okay, that's the other area. So guys, I know I don't usually bring you guys to this side of Obudu, but for this vlog, emphasis are on this side, and it's called the Governor Lodge area, right? Yeah. Okay, now let's go. So guys, this is me early in the morning. I'm trying to get fresh sunflowers, and I had to drag everybody out because we have to go and get me. Exactly. I have to go and get me some fresh sunflowers. It is basic that you give me. You're supposed to wake me up with sunflowers. So
but I woke you up with coal this morning.
With coal, can you imagine? See what he's waking someone up with. Important. Cold is more important than sunflowers. Yeah, guys, can you beat that? You receive heat that side. Alright guys, so let's go hunt for sunflowers. So that means we can play today. Yes guys, basketball. With my nails. If my coach finds me, he's gonna beat me, but it's fine. Under the bunk, hiding. You come and say, yes, you come outside. Come outside. Yes, I know you're there. Come outside. I say, sir, I don't want to play basketball. You be like, I don't care if you don't want to play basketball. I want you to play basketball. And I said, I want to play football. He said, okay, you want to play football? I'll take you to football court. He took me to the football pitch, and I did not even run half the court. I fell down. That's how I started playing basketball. I don't like stress. Do I look like someone that likes stress? I don't like stress. I'm a soft babe. Am I lying? Am I lying? I'm a soft. Yes guys, I got flowers. It's time to make bouquet of sunflowers. What do you think about my sunflowers? Yeah, this is going to be the third or fourth video vlog on my channel, so stay tuned because this is going to be a different experience and I am ready to give it to you. Please, before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, please know that this girl here loves you and I appreciate every time you come here to check my content. So yeah, Obudu. She did not see it. She's offline. We don't cuss. Now everybody got your breakfast. Sayo. Say hi. Baby, hello. You're so cute. Oh, now they now. Now they run. Agbala, Baz. Bush mango. Let's see what it looks like. I'm seeing it from afar, guys, and it looks a bit good. You know, I like adventures. Yeah, I'm trying. For monkeys, see how it looks good. So if I eat it, what will happen? So, but monkeys are eating it though. So why can monkeys eat it and we cannot eat? So she forgot her bag, guys, and Yesterday she was all moody, but today she is so happy, and I am happy for her as well.
Because I'm happy.
So guys, I think they're actually building something, and loads of caterpillars have been coming in, trooping into the resort here. Hi! So it's like loads and loads of hello. Hey guys, what's up? The sun is so beautiful, like the sun is out. It means that today has to be a good day, and I'm actually wearing my cardigan from Ariwana Queen, and I'm ready to step out for my tours here at Obudu. So stay tuned. We're looking forward to have a good time, and big thanks to this, like it's been saving my ass. Also big thanks to Dr. Natural K in using their body butter. Gloria is my name. Everything in proportion, and we're ready to step out. Let me show you my full outfit. This is just for the cold. Beautiful. Hey. Please stand, come back. We outside. Guys, would you believe this is Obudu? It's so fine. Yes, I know you'd believe because it's Obudu. But yes, guys, this is so beautiful. And we're off to go explore Grotto and the Holy Mountain. So stay tuned. Same to us. Happy Children's Day. Okay, thank you. Guys, that's the village supermarket. Hey guys, so we are at the Holy Mountain, and guess what? Me, I'm so hungry, so I stopped by the market and I bought mama put that's gonna take me. Hey guys, what's up? So we're actually at the Holy Mountain. The last time I came here, I think I didn't get a better view, or my battery was down. Please excuse my phonetics. The last time I come here, my battery be done day low, so I know if we do better video. But I don't day here now, so I gotta give you a better video, because guess what? I am here to have a better view. Like, it's so beautiful. Please, another view of the beauty that lies within Nigeria. Nigeria is so beautiful. So it don't be like I did not want them more. Please don't.
Let's go now.
What's that day? What's that day? Bye bye. You should give me one reason why she's not going to like this food.
I love this.
See the people that, they are so about, their personal health, and us, we don't mind. What do you think about the food, Sissy?
It's my scarf.
I'll put it like that if I don't talk.
Oh my god. Don't do this to your sister.
I'm putting it already. More greens.
This is stuff from somewhere.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning and welcome to day 3. Obudu. Yes, I know you guys have never seen me on low cut. Yes, I cut my hair. come here. I'm so excited, and yes, I'm wearing my Wantor t-shirt, and this looks so amazing. We cannot wait to step out and have a great time. So we're doing like a lot of tours today, so stay tuned. I'm about to throw on some, pancake on this face, so I look pancaked. So without no further ado, let us get straight into the business of today. Okay, I think I might have to come back a bit. Yes, guys, so like I said, I was just going to touch my face a bit, and I am done now. This makeup looks so good, like it's so pretty, and we are ready to step out now to continue our tours. It's been such an amazing experience here at Obudu. Like, I'm having so much fun, and I actually strongly hope that you're really enjoying this video. Enjoying my vlog. Like, oh god, I'm so fucking fine. Too fine, guys, too fine. Give it to me, I'm too fine. So this is us working in the clouds. Do you know what it feels like to walk in the clouds? It feels like we are communing with God. You understand me? So yes, guys, day 3 tour day, we're about to step out, guys. Like, it's too freaking cloudy. Can you see that? It's so cloudy. And that's a baby girl coming.
I discarded that video.
Hey, baby girl. Hi, baby girl.
Hello.
Okay, guys, so let's continue.
When it's cold, you're not going to.
We are in the clouds.
Porcupine.
Porcupine.
Is it purplish?
Yes, very perfect.
It's almost finished though.
But bring them your bill. How much? Alright. Are we getting the canopy walkway? Yeah.
Hey guys, let's go.
It's coming. Wow. Last.
What's up? So we are here. God, guys, this is so. Is it scary to you? Yeah. It's scary. We're going to get caught. We're gonna be eaten up in the weeds. I'm your tour guide, and nothing could ever happen to you because you've got me. Say yes, you got me. I got you too. Gulda Ultimate Search. I can't remember, but they did it here. All those times that Gulda Ultimate Search was popping. Canopy. No, it's fine. When you see the Canopy walkway, you are gonna remember, because they did one of those Gulda Ultimate Search here.
Hey.
This is risky. Are you bending it?
Let's go.
Hello.
This is Canopy walkway.
So leave me alone, oh. Hey.
What is what I just passed through? Hey guys, what's up? So we are actually at the highest point of this Canopy walkway. Yeah, my people are shouting. Yes, we are noise-makers, but yes, we are here. It can't really be compared to Lagos, because Lagos is higher, but enjoy whatever you get to see here. So this is my view. It's so high, right? So see my people. Hey, well.
I don't know what kind of human being you are. You don't have fear.
See, if you say he's scared, but it's it to me.
Oh, wait.
See them.
I'm so scared.
Looks dreamy. Like, this view is dreamy. Oh yeah, do it. Club, discovering the world together. Guys, we just survived the Canopy walkway.
No, it was not a battle.
No, it wasn't a battle though. We had so much fun apparently.
It was a battle.
For her.
Victorious.
Right. But something is very annoying. I hate when people overdo. Yes, I hate when people overdo stuff. Hey guys, so this is the tree nursery at Obudu Ranch. These are guavas here. So we're still going inside the forest. Guys! Woo! 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 your animal sound? What is the animal sound? What is the animal sound? Going to the next phase, guys. Stay with me. Judge of the jungle. Watch out for that tree. Watch out for the tree, oh! Eh? This is where you have to watch out for the tree. This is Coco. Is this Coco? It feels like Coco. Let's go. But this is
There's no water in the village. I just want a source of water. I don't want to.
This is clean water. It's flowing water now. So this is the fen tree grew. A lot of this here. There's one fruit that we even anytime we come here we always eat that fruit. Yes, it's yellow. It's not the season. So we kind of understand that.
Why did you picture from that eye?
Jesus Christ. Guys, they're going up there. See where we're coming from. Let's go. We can do this. Guys, we're just coming from this point. So you see that we're far away. And we're still going. We're in the middle of the forest. And so guys, can you see the fence? These are the fence. These are the fence. This is like a lot. So guys, we're in the fen group. You can see, like, we're in the fen group here at Obudu Cattle Ranch. I'm so freaking tired. I can't even start to tell you guys how tired I am. But you know, we have to keep going because that is the goal, to keep going. Shit. Now I actually understand what these guys who went for that Buddha ultimate stage had to go through, and the fact that they had like time, that they had to complete like certain tasks. With all this mountain climbing, wouldn't that be me, Sha? Because me, yeah, our James Bond has finally, our George of the Jungle is finally hit. It's hit.
Ah, really?
And he really fell.
Sorry, oh. Hey, you couldn't even catch your man.
Shit, this one is.
Why did you catch him?
I didn't even know when he disappeared from my side. Is small. Open the bed.
Banana.
Kwega. Tio kana.
Kokapita.
Ah, Tiamka Wantor.
Wantor.
Yes,
Yeah, Nana.
Kwega. Bye.
Neko Kagodi.
Goddy, say hi to my camera.
Hi.
It was nice to meet you guys. Happy.
Yeah, that did you.
Yay. It's heat though. Sadly, one man is hit. But we stay here glowing. Hey guys, so we're walking to the ground time now, and it's like, I don't know. So there's something about. Hey!
Okay.
Sorry, I get to go now, though. You know the year word, though. I get coconut head. I know they hear word. I get coconut head. I know they hear word. The Lord is really amazing. It's so beautiful. The God is going to get angry. Oh. The gods have already answered your prayers. It's time. My son, it's time for you guys to come out. Wash your face in the river. I mean, whatever streams of. I don't know if you guys can see me actually. I've had like a really crazy day and I'm just trying to like, okay, I think you guys can see me like, but like today's tour was really amazing. Like I think I had a great time. It was such a good tour and obviously very great tour. We succeeded. We ended up doing the nursery, the tree nursery. We did the Canopy walkway. We did the grove tour. We couldn't do the presidential villa, but it was such an amazing tour. It's time for me. I'm trying to like take off like, because I think I have like a lot of products on my face before I use like my cleanser. So you know what? So guys, we have this room heater thingy just here that has an inscription: the joy of the Lord is my strength. It's quite hot, so this is our room heater. Trying to like push it a bit so you can. At your lounge, what are you guys giving me? Eh?
Okay, well,
Angels bar, what are you people giving me?
Angus bar. It's a cocktail center where we make coffee. We make all kinds of cocktails like Sex on the Beach. We make Jamaica Sunrise here. We make Chapman. All manner of cocktails is produced here. All kinds of natural Viagra is produced here at Chambo's Bar Stand.
Did you hear what he said? He said natural what?
Viagra. So easy.
Say it. What is my people want to know? What do you have to say? Guys, can you see my shot glass in Obudu? This is such a huge shot in my lime, so I am going to be done.
For like 34 hours.
When is it going?
That close that holy mountain side.
That is going to sleep. Yes. I don't understand. How will you go there?
As usual, trekking.
Please share with me. Take it. Who are you passing it to? Who are you passing? Okay, you take it, liver. You take it. Take it now.
You just try. I've taken it before. But you should try it.
Take it.
Yeah,
Hey guys, good morning. It's still apparently morning here. I swear this vlog has to be the most inconsistent vlog ever, but please just manage it there. Manage it the way I am compelling it to get down. So this is day 4 Obudu, and apparently we are. Can you see the clouds moving? Can you see that? Can you see it like there? Can you see it's moving? Yeah, we've been living here in the clouds, and yeah, I am actually so excited because guys, I am actually dropping a collection tomorrow. I'm super excited. Please check out Wantor Queen. I'm sure before, like, by the time you watch this video, I would have already dropped the collection. Also, this is actually from Wantor Queen. Yes, it's the clouds for me. It's the clouds for me. Guys, you need to see this system of the way they wash their clothes. This is so beautiful. It's like a stream, but a modernized stream. This is amazing. Damn! The water comes out from goes. Like they have fresh water and they can wash. They have like a spot that can wash. Do you guys actually dry your clothes in this weather and it like dries? It will dry. I heard there's a time of the year where you guys take your clothes to Kanga to dry.
Yeah.
It's in August. Wow. This is amazing. Are you guys up there? Come. Woo, see us. I met amazing people, guys, and we're leaving. So does this mean that electricity is coming to Obudu soon? If yes, then it's good. But I think they're trying to use solar. Because I'm seeing this. I think they're trying to use solar. Such an amazing pitch, because I don't understand. What if the ball enters the bush? So go inside and pick it. But it's sweet for you.
Yes, it's sweet for me.
Always on my mind. Baba la yawo
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's a bright new day at Obudu. Even though I can really sick, I've been myself since morning, but yes, we still have to go. This is our last day in Obudu and we're looking to explore the presidential villa and then also do a bit of horse riding if it's possible. Yeah guys, just stay tuned. I just had to still look, good for you people. Hi guys, what's up? So I finally made it outside and I did my usual ritual of getting sunflowers, as this is the season of sunflowers here in Obudu. Look at how beautiful it looks. And I'm taking a walk to the presidential villa. I feel like this walk is everything I really needed because I feel a lot better now. And yes, I'll see you guys at the presidential villa. But I love my flowers. What do you think about my flowers? Let's take a picture. Hi, say hi to my subscribers. Hi, Kenneth. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Nice to meet you. How was school today? Alright, bye. Tell them bye too. Shy. Guys, we're passing through here. There's so much beauty in Obudu. You should make it here. With the cows. You don't want to chill with them again? Almost see. It's the fact that they are licking you for me, oh. You're such an adventure. I beg you, Joe. Come and take some flowers. Don't run away. Don't run away from love. This is so great. How would you be pooping like that? They can't taste the salt. So they give them salt. Oh, nice. This is so good. Hey guys, this is me chilling with the freshest cattle in Nigeria. Have you ever seen fresh cattle? These are the freshest cattle in Nigeria. So we got to the presidential villa and
Obviously, the man that is in charge is currently not on seat. But let me show you guys this beauty. Have you seen how beautiful this place is? I just don't want to fall down though, but it's so beautiful. Guys, it's so amazing here. Just hoping that my phone doesn't fall down because we are actually here. Yeah, we're here now. So fun. This store has to be Sade. Sade is so scared, but she's here finally. Yeah, one of the most beautiful views since I got to Obudu because this is heavenly, guys. This is heavenly.
Picture. Why you squeezing my clothes? Moses, don't worry.
Two men brought me here. How come I can't careful. Don't shake me. It's okay. You can go. You can go. Sayo, stop. I'll just sit down here.
Okay, time to go.
I'm done. Very done. Guys, this was so. See the shoes I'm using to climb the mountain. Guys, Isaiah is the most adventurous person on this trip. He's making us go through this bush.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
No, but nothing is going to happen. It's just God. So guys, we are doing this adventure. I feel so good now. Hey, Purple. Purple is still behind. Hey, there are lots of cow dungs here, guys. A whole lot of cow dungs. Shout out to Fisayo for making us pass through this bush. If I step on any cow dung, you clean my feet. I don't understand. Am I trying to
Not watch this thing. You didn't watch this thing.
watch what?
You know, Mr. Boom. You didn't watch it.
Ah, Jesus! Don't even remind me of Mr. Bone. He kept on, hey God, it's not my portion. Is that it? Yeah? Yeah. This angle is so fine. We'll be all night. Oh, we'll be all night. So beautiful, but it's quite far from me. I can't even get it. Guys, I cannot get it. I'm so obsessed with flowers. Like, so. Open the bay. Quiet, girl. Daddy do. I got this fine one. Guys, this mushroom is so big.
Take picture.
Yes, I'm doing a video. Can I bring it out?
Yes.
Maybe.
Let's
Wow, guys. Hi, baby, you're so cute. You're so cute. Please don't harm me. Yay, Alice. Yay.
Then you still get far.
It's nice to meet you.
Later this day, I actually went into the village because I wanted to get closure on where my makeup boxes were. Because the last time I came to Obudu, I forgot my 2 makeup boxes. This night was such a scary night, and we almost tripped twice. Like, the last one was going to be extremely bad and maybe I would have landed in the hospital, but we thank God. I got my makeup box too. Hi guys, this is pretty much the last day here at Obudu. I think this is where this vlog ends, and we're about to check out and leave and go to our various destinations. This is the second time you're going to be on my vlog. What do you have to tell them again?
I'll miss you a lot.
Oh, miss you too. We are about to leave. Hey, Bosade. These are your blessing. Alright.
I had an amazing time. It was
Great.
I don't feel like going home, but I have to go. Right.
I had a nice time, yeah. I'll say the next thing is.
Your legs. Let's not talk about your legs.
I had an amazing time. Like I don't want to go back, but man, I need to walk.
Okay guys, so this is the point where I say thank you guys for watching my Obudu vlog. Do subscribe for more videos and do not forget to share these videos with your friends and family. If you have any recommendation on where you want me to go or places that you would want me to explore and tell you about, please do comment in the comment section. It was so nice to have you here. See you guys in my next one.